You ever get that feeling, that deep down pull to be part of something bigger than yourself? A feeling that you're here to make the world, just a little bit better? For years, I've been completely obsessed with one single question. How do we take that shared human feeling and turn it into a collective story that actually works? So today, let's explore a vision that tries to answer that. It's called Planetary Citizens. This right here is the whole heart of it. This quote just nails a fundamental truth about who we are. It's a feeling that cuts across every border, every culture, every belief system. It's our common ground. But, and this is the big question, if we all shared this, why does the world so often feel completely disconnected? And that leads us right into the core of the problem. We're living in an age of just overwhelming noise and fragmentation. Okay, so here's the crazy paradox of our time, right? We have all this incredible technology that's supposed to connect us, but in reality, we're more divided than ever. There are so many brilliant people, amazing organizations, all doing world-changing work, but they're stuck in their own silos. They're in their own bubbles, speaking their own languages. There's no shared context to bring them together. And the result? So much wasted energy. It feels like we're all just spinning our wheels instead of really moving forward together. So before we could even think about building a solution, we had to do the detective work. We had to prove that a deeper unity, a shared identity, was even there to begin with, hiding underneath all that noise. To find that proof, I knew I had to do one thing: listen. And I mean really listen. So over the last 3 years, I sat down for over 150 deep, long-form, soul-bearing conversations. And check out the incredible diversity of these voices. This wasn't just one group of people. We're talking NASA, rocket scientists, Holocaust survivors, visionary CEOs, indigenous elders, the whole spectrum of human experience. And these conversations, they became the raw data, the hard evidence that a shared story was just waiting to be told. And what started to emerge from these hundreds of hours of dialogue was something I call the golden threads. Now, it's so important to get this. These aren't just some nice, fluffy ideas. These are real, recurring, universal patterns of truth. Time after time, it didn't matter who I was talking to. The same core themes just kept surfacing. Things like the absolute need for authenticity, the power of being vulnerable, and this deep knowing that any real change out there has to start in here. And we looked everywhere for these threads. As you can see, this was a deep dive. We explored everything from personal journeys to the future of humanity. And the amazing thing, these golden threads were woven through every single one of these categories. That's how we knew they were fundamental. That's how we knew they were real. So, the conclusion from all this work is, well, it's powerful and it's undeniable. This is not just some hopeful theory we're cooking up. The evidence is clear. A shared sense of we, a planetary identity, it's already bubbling up from the ground up. The foundation is already here. Which brings us from the discovery to the vision. Okay, so if this shared identity already exists, how do we nurture it? How do we give it a home where it can thrive? And this is the answer: Planetary Citizens. I absolutely love this metaphor of connective tissue, because that's exactly what this is. It's not trying to be the brain or the muscle. It's the essential stuff that holds all the different parts together, that allows them to communicate and work in harmony to create a healthy, conscious civilization. Now, it is so important that we're clear about what Planetary Citizens is and what it is not. We are not here to replace or take over any of the amazing organizations already doing the work. Absolutely not. We are here to be a steward of that shared context, an infrastructure, a neutral meeting ground where different groups can find each other, align, and collaborate, all without giving up what makes them unique. It's all about connection, not control. And this isn't just a big, dreamy vision. It's an actionable plan. We have a clear, 3-phase roadmap to make this whole thing a reality. And what's really cool is how these phases build on each other. First, we scale the message. We get these golden thread conversations out to a global audience through media, building our community. Phase 2, we get innovative. We build responsible AI to act as a kind of wisdom navigator, helping you find the exact people, ideas, or resources you're looking for. And finally, Phase 3 is where it all comes together. We create the actual online spaces for workshops and dialogues where we stop just talking about a better world and start actively building it together. So, you see the journey we've been on. First, we listened for the story. Then, we designed the home for it. And now, we're at the most exciting part, the invitation to actually build that home. side by side. This is where we move from documenting the change to co-creating it. This is our moment. The research is done, the conversations have been had, we've proven that these ideas resonate with people all over the world. The foundation is rock solid. But a foundation is just the beginning, right? To actually weave these golden threads into a real fabric of collaboration, we need to build the loom. And this is where you come in. We are inviting you to become a partner in this evolution. Your support is what brings that three-phase strategy to life. It's the investment that builds the AI wayfinding technology. It's the funding that creates the collaboration infrastructure. You're not just supporting a project, you are helping to build the very connective tissue our world so desperately needs. So I'll just leave you with this one question. If you recognize that feeling we talked about at the very beginning, that shared responsibility, that deep yearning, if you feel that in your bones, then the only question left is, are you ready to help us build the home for it?